Here is a Credit Saint review. Credit Saint is the leading the industry for 16 years and only getting better. So the more it is actually longer serving the people around us, it is actually getting better for the services it offers. You can actually go ahead and choose how would you like to fix your credit. So let's say, for example, you want to access lower interest rates, qualify for better loan terms, discover job opportunities, achieve your financial goals, reduce financial stress, and increase approval odds. This is actually right for you because Credit Saint will do everything to offer these services for you. Credit Saint also has an 11,000 plus 5-star reviews across top sites like Google, Consumer Art Fairs, Money.com, and more. It has a 19 years of experience and a lot of happy customers. So if you're interested to more problem solving or the one who solves your problem when it comes to credit, Credit Saint is the right one for you because it is always getting better if you credit.